Hello everyone. Let's talk about today's events, what's happening in and around India. So let's take up the case of UP, where Yogi Adityanath is facing elections in next 6 months. So recently, BJP office bearers went to Lucknow and had a meeting with various people to understand the situation there. So they are trying to disturb Yogi Adityanath, which is not good. Since without him, I do not think so any BJP can win 2022 elections and later 2024 elections. So I just wanted to tell BJP top leadership that I'm not sure why you people are getting nervous about Yogi. So he's the best bet for you in UP. Please do not disturb him. Okay. So a lot of things are happening in UP since elections are coming closer. In many villages, Hindus are getting frustrated. They are not allowed to carry out marriage ceremonies. They need to take some permission from certain sections of the society that you know who they are, and it is frustrating being a Hindu and is living in Hindustan. If this is the state of affairs, imagine what the Hindus are going through in Pakistan, like Karachi or Lahore. So we should Hindus should be very, very pragmatic and united and ensure that they're, at least in Hindustan, they should live comfortably. But even that is not happening, which is frustrating. So why? It is all because that many Hindus, 30 to 40% of the Hindus believe that secularism, it will not yield anything for you, my dear friends, Hindus. Secularism, dump the secularism, believe in yourself. Okay, this country is made for you. Don't be apologetic. Okay, you are nothing to owe nothing to anyone. Okay, so they are here because of their either choice or some other reason, or it is due to the what is it they call it, there is some I am not able to recall. So what I am trying to tell is, don't be apologetic. This is your country. Okay, this country belongs to you. Enjoy. Okay, ensure that your fellow Hindus are protected. Okay, this country is made for you. And I want to tell you that don't ever you might criticize Modi Shah, okay, for their policies or for their silence. Okay, I am 100% sure there must be some reason why they are silent, especially with Bengal violence. But my only suggestion to you all is that do not bring them down from power. Without them in power, I am telling you, it will be very difficult. It will be very difficult, I am telling you, Hindus. Please do not bring Modi Shah from their gaddi or chair. They have to be there. Unless they are there in the power, nobody will listen to you. I am telling you, this is fact. Please believe this. Please believe this. Let us work unitedly for UP elections, and ensure that Yogi Ji wins with a thumping majority. So that will be the stepping stone for 2024 elections for Lok Sabha. We have to ensure Modi comes back to power in 2024 without fail. Okay, let us be united. Ensure that both Modi and Yogi wins their assembly as well as Lok Sabha elections. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.